I'm doing a big review of all the invoicing and accounting tools in Switzerland that are built for freelancers. And today we're looking at Banana. Banana is, from what I understand, quite an old software, at least the screenshots already give that vibe. It's also a desktop software, so it works on your computer, not in the cloud. And it is cheaper than most other providers. And that's why some freelancers consider it because it's just a nice way to save money. And so today we're going to have a look at it together. I just installed it and opened it right now, and let me find out how it works. So I just set up my company as a freelancer company with VAT enabled, and I'm on this page now. Guessing I have to enter some data. I just say okay. And here we arrive on the welcome page, and we have some examples of existing data. So this just looks like an Excel spreadsheet. We have our accounts, our balance sheet, and here there is a chart. But so if I want to create an invoice, this is to create a file, but there is no clear way to create an invoice. Or maybe this is not an invoicing app and only does bookkeeping, because I can add a transaction like consulting payment. And this cost is 5,000. Oh no, this is the code, okay. Okay, well, I will have a look at the tutorial and be back. Okay, I have learned some more stuff. So basically, again, in File, you can create sort of invoices, and I've just done that now. And here we have a sort of template default. And on invoices, there was a settings page before, but I can basically look at an invoice here with like 3 items. No, like actually no, each thing is an invoice, I think, a separate invoice, yeah. And then on a line, I can click on print, and then here, this will generate an invoice with the QR code, but I just didn't enter my data. But still, so we have a QR code and this is working. And then I guess I can mark it as paid somewhere here. If we go to edit invoice, yeah, here I have the whole invoice. A lot of fields. It's completely crazy. Yeah, I don't really know where to take that review because I'm just so confused. Okay, yeah, so here I can enter a date for when that invoice was paid. And so invoicing is a completely separate thing. And so if I want to go back then to my bookkeeping, I have to go back to open and open my bookkeeping thing again, which is gone now. Or is it here? Yeah, there we are. Okay, here I can switch to the bookkeeping again, yeah. And so then here I would then add data about my invoice. Well, if you're a freelancer in Switzerland, I don't think you should use Banana. This is completely crazy. This seems very, very complex. And it looks like it's been built by accountants who thought about, like, this is the sort of accountant's wet dream. That's the complexity you want. But I think as a freelancer, you just want to be able to create your invoices and do your business. And so Banana is definitely not the right option here. It's very complex. It does so many things. It's not at all user-friendly. And you would have to spend days reading through their whole documentation before you're able to actually start. Yeah, sorry, this review was really unhelpful. Still, I hope it gives you some insights into Banana.